The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hocking County until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Star, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, half-dollar-size hail. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of eastern Hocking County, including Islesboro, Star, Union, Furnace, Haydenville, Carbon Hill, Murray City, and Doraville. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
The National Weather